Hi all, good morning and good evening.
Yeah, hi, good evening.
Okay, let me share my screen.
Yeah, hi, good evening.
Very good evening, guys. Okay. So last session, what we discussed, we implemented some business logic, right? So we started development activity, right?
Oh, yes.
So yesterday, what we did, we downloaded RAML from the design center, right? So here we downloaded one local file and we imported here and we implemented like this, right? So we can implement it, one more way, different way. Okay, without writing, RAML directly. If you want to implement the business logic also, we can do that. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna create one more brand new project. Sample API. So just I'm providing the project name. That's it. I'll click on finish. Okay. So first I'm going to take one listener. So the main duty of this listener is this guy is going to listen our request, which user or client sends. Let's say if you are sending some request through Postman from here, so it will go here, it will reach. So listener is going to take your request and it will process further. Okay, for this some connection configurations required. Can you see? There is a hashtag. So these details we need to provide. Just click on plus button. So host is local host. Local host is nothing but our system. Port is 8081. You can provide any 4-digit number. Let's say 8087. This is also you can provide. And then click on OK. Don't touch anything. Path. Path is nothing but resource path. I'm giving sample. Okay. Next, I'm going to take one more logger. So what is the main duty of this logger? Logger is used to print the message in the console. Let's say so I deleted everything. Can you see if you go to configuration XML, we have 10 lines of code, right? So again, I'm taking listener. See, it got increased. 13 lines of code is there. Now, if I drag one more component, 14 lines will be there. See? So did I wrote any single line of code?
No.
No. So the moment I drag and drop any component or connector, automatically code will be generated in the form of XML. Understood? Next. So I'm giving path as sample. So next a logger. So again, I'll explain just, today demo I'm showing how it will be. So each and every component we will discuss in detail in coming classes. So now this is logger. So what is the main duty of this logger? So logger is used to print the message in the console. So in other programming languages, we are writing printf, scanf, right? Similar way, whatever you are writing, it will print. Welcome to MuleSoft. Okay. Now I'm going to run this project. Okay, it is running now. See, my application got deployed. I need to test it. So if you want to test it, localhost colon 8087. So this is the protocol, whatever the protocol which we use, this. And what is the IP address? Like our localhost means our system IP address. And then port, you can provide any 4-digit number. We provided, right, 808 slash resource path. Resource path is sample. Just click on send. So you got 200. 200 means success. If you go here, can you see message got printed? Welcome to hello world, right? So if you want to print this kind of output in other programming languages, okay, what we need to do? At least we need to write minimum 6 to 7 lines of code, right or wrong?
Yes.
Yes. But here what happened, without writing any line of code, okay, we got this kind of message. So this is how we can eliminate the donkey work. Okay. So we are not struggling, right? Simply what we are doing, we are drag one component and we can place it some particular place. That's it. We are not going to write any kind of code. Clear?
Yep. Sir, so you welcome to MuleSoft ఉంది కదా. So we are
Yes.
going to integrate any UI side or just for our reference from
Just our reference. Like in printf, you are writing, right? Imagine one program will be there, hello world. See, we need to write like this. You will get this output, right?
Mhm.
Okay. Instead of writing this code and all, what we are doing, just we are using UI part. And we are printing the message like. Okay, if you want to change the message, you just change it.
So if I want to see UI side, how can I?
This is the UI, right? UI is nothing but user interface. This is the one, right? And then,
Okay.
so whatever we are using completely UI only. We are not writing any CLI command. There is no command line. Command line is there, but we are not going to use that. Okay.
Oh.
Whatever you can see here, everything will be UI only here. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So yesterday we implemented, calculator, right? So here also you can implement that. You can take 2 set variables. Okay. So here I'm writing number 1. Here what we need to write, can someone tell me? Anyone remember by any chance?
Required. Required.
No. Attribute start. Query param start. Number 1. Okay. So here what we'll do? Switch to expression mode. Attributes dot for a params dot number 2. Okay. Here that's dot number 1 plus that's dot number 2. Clear, right? Clear or any questions? Just save it. Here we need to pass so once it is deployed, then only we need to test it. Mhm.
Here I have one question.
Yes,
Yeah, here we are adding like two numbers, right?
yes.
So instead of two numbers, we are not having any idea about the how many numbers we are adding, like 1 to n. So at the time,
No, if you-
what kind of variables we need to require?
no, that time we should not use variables. That time what we need to do, we need to pass request in the form of body.
Okay.
Okay. I told you, right? Request we can pass it 4 ways. Okay. Out of 4 ways, like based on our requirement, we can pass it.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. In the like coming classes, you are explaining everything, right?
Yeah. Correct. Each and every class, I will explain you one case, one use case. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
The result you got 15. If you change this 70, we will get 78. Okay. So this is how we can do the deployment. Now if you see earlier 14 lines, right? Now you can see 26 lines of code. I did not write single line of code, but still code is going to be generated in the backend in the form of XML. Got it? That's it. Very simple. Daily in the development, we are doing same thing. But what we will do, we are going to learn different things. So we'll use loggers. These things we will change on daily basis based on our requirement. Sometimes we'll use set payload, sometimes flow reference, sometimes choice. These and all I'm going to explain you in the coming classes. Okay. Daily our class will be like this only, complete practical, no theory. Okay. No coding, nothing will be there. Clear?
Sir,
Yes.
I have a small question. Can you please repeat how to set the variables, how you drag, but I didn't watch properly, sir. Please, can you?
Okay.
Yeah, sir.
So just type variable here. You can see hand symbol, right?
Yes, sir.
Just click on and drag and release here. Wherever you want, you can release it.
Okay.
It will come. Any component, okay? You just select it here and drag it. That's it.
Okay, sir.
So now what we will do, we need to deploy this application. Okay. So if you want to deploy your application, very simple. Just right click on it. Anypoint platform, deploy to Cloud Hub. Single click. Automatically your application is going to be deployed in the cloud. So it may ask you your anypoint platform credentials.
అది వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్టేటస్ అని అడుగుంటా అంటే నేను అట్లా టైప్ చేసేస్తాను.
So clear, right, everyone? Okay, your trial has recently ended. Okay, we need to create new account. Okay, so that's it. Right click, anypoint platform, deploy to Cloud Hub. Just single click, our application will be stored in the cloud. So is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for deployment, I have, created some materials, all the materials. Okay, PPTs will be there.
Status and what is the status అంటే వాడికి ఆర్డర్ సర్టిఫికేట్
Okay, you can see all the complete material will be there. I'm going to provide all these materials, real world, real time APIs, everything. I can share with you. Some cookbook will be there, everything. I can give it to you. See, this is for deployment. Okay, MuleSoft deployment guide. So everything will be there with the proper screenshots. Okay. Step-by-step screenshots will be there. This I can share with you. And if you go for interview, so how you need to explain your self details, roles, okay, your project, all the important questions, project standards, naming conventions, everything I prepared for you. What you need to do, just you need to take this document and you need to prepare on daily basis. Okay. If you learn all these things, it will be very easy for you. Clear? And one more thing, like, recently, previous 2 batches, I think 24th or 25th batch, one lady got an offer. So calls are, too good. What you need to do, you just prepare, all the interview questions.
How much of strength in the last batch?
Last batch, 22 people.
Okay, out of 22, one girl has been placed, right?
Mm.
Out
No,
of
no,
22.
last batch, no. Last batch still going on.
Okay.
That previous batch.
Okay, how many members are there in the previous
I
batch?
got confirmation only 3 to 4 people. Many
Okay.
people, they won't get back right after course. Some
Okay,
people,
after that-
you know, they
Sure.
will inform. If they need any help and all, they will get back.
Okay.
See how, you know, people will join, you know, any kind of course. Some people will have some backup. Imagine.
Yeah.
See here, you guys joined, right? Almost 15 people will be there. Out of
Yeah.
15 people, all 15 you didn't come through by your own. So you need to run MuleSoft. Someone else explained something about MuleSoft. If they said, you learn this course, rest of the thing I will take care like this. Okay.
Yeah.
That people, they won't, you know, again come back.
Okay.
In MuleSoft, Jenkins part is also there, sir.
Yeah, Jenkins deployment. That
Jenkins,
is one of
either Kubernetes, Docker also is there in this.
no, that is DevOps.
Yeah, DevOps. I know. That's why I'm asking. Jenkins, how much depth? Maven, you use Maven also, sir?
No, Jenkins just for pipeline we are using.
Okay.
Okay. See, today, you know, she texted me, sir, I got an offer from Infosys. Okay. Then she's asking some work support kind of. I said I'll arrange. Okay. Calls will be too good. She don't know anything about MuleSoft. I think she kept some 3 years or 4 years of experience and she got this opportunity. Clear? And certification part also I can help you. Okay. Once you enroll this course, maybe after 1 week or 10 days, we'll start the certification process and you can finish it, you know, within 10 days. You will become a MuleSoft certified developer.
Except the course fees, we need to pay any amount, extra amount?
No,
Just,
you don't want to pay anything, only just course fee.
mostly this
Okay.
certification fees is free of cost, right?
No, that is completely free of cost. Usually it will be $400, but company itself they're giving free of cost. But you need to do some work on it. Okay.
Yeah.
You
In
have
that work,
to come.
you provide any help. In that work, I think
Yeah, definitely.
you are
I will give you 1 hour of video, so you
okay.
can watch that. After that, you know, I can give you some tips wherever you will stuck. If
Okay.
you finish that, you will get. But at the end, once you finish all that kind of work, you will get a voucher. Once you got
Okay.
voucher, I'm going to provide you all the 60 interview questions and answers. You will get same question, same answers, but order will be changed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys. So if you have any questions, let me know. So Monday onwards, what we will do, we are going to start our actual classes. Okay. So we've seen how to design our API. Once you design that, we will publish our API to Exchange. After that, you know, we will import that API from the design center and we will start the development. Once development is done, we will do deployment. That's it. This is the actual process which we need to follow each and every organization. Okay. So tomorrow no session. Next session will be on Monday. This link it won't work. Monday this link won't work. So already I created WhatsApp group. I think I added a couple of people over there. Okay, I'm going to share the new link Monday morning so that you can use the same link. Okay. Clear, right? Any questions, any doubts, you can ask me.
Before completing the course itself, we are getting the certification, right?
Certification, you will get it. Once you enroll it, within 10 days or 15 days, you will get the certification.
Okay. After get the certification, we'll continue with the course, right?
Yeah. That parallel you can continue it.
In MuleSoft, we don't use clouds, any type of clouds, right, sir?
Just now I told you, right? We will use cloud. We will deploy our application to cloud.
Which cloud, sir? Which cloud?
AWS.
Only AWS, sir. In real time also only AWS, or like a GCP or anything?
No. See, let me tell you. We have a cloud hub. Okay, cloud hub is using the AWS.
Okay.
Inbuilt one.
Okay. What type of instances we will use in AWS, sir?
What do you mean by instance?
There are a lot of instances like
My
is-
question is, what is an instance?
instances.
Instance is nothing but like a server. Okay.
Huh.
We are not going to use any servers, different servers.
Uh-huh.
Inbuilt we have AWS. So from there we are going to deploy our applications.
Okay. Inbuilt in MuleSoft itself, they have the AWS.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, I have one question. Yesterday, I'll just browse it in internet. I'll found like MuleSoft software cost around $80,000 per year, like that. I'll observed, but
80?
$80,000 per so 80,000 per
Yeah, I
dollar
think
per
they
year.
increased because of the demand. They increased price.
Yeah,
Earlier it was cheap only.
yeah.
Uh,
But the here also you provide the same software.
Yeah, everything will get same, but only difference is
Yeah.
you will get 1 or 2 extra services. That's it. Here
Yeah.
you can see all these services, right?
Yeah.
Apart from this, you will get 1 or 2 extra services. Something
This is
called
the
RabbitMQ.
free version.
Sorry.
Is this free version or else?
Yes,
It's
this
also
is
paid version.
completely free of cost.
Okay. From this VLR training or else everyone
No,
can
no, no.
access?
Everywhere in the entire world, anyone can create account. They can access.
Due to
Okay.
some specific requirement they provided, right?
Because see why they are giving all these things free of cost, because they need to, many people, they need to learn this MuleSoft and they need to get certified and they need to work on their projects.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yeah,
If
yeah.
company will have, let's say, imagine I have 2 projects in my company. Okay. For these 2 projects, I need 20 MuleSoft resources. Okay. If I
Yeah.
keep everything will be costly. Imagine if I want to learn this Mule, if I keep 1 lakh rupees, okay, for this platform, are you going to learn?
I know mostly.
No, right?
Yeah.
200% no itself, right?
Yes.
Because whether you don't know whether you will get job or not once you learn this course, right? So
Yeah.
you cannot spend this much of amount. Okay. So if it is 15,000 or 20,000, what you will do? Okay, let me try. Okay, if I
Yeah.
try, if I work hard, if I'll get it, fine. If not, nothing will happen. You are not going to lose so much, right? If you keep
Yes.
1 lakh only for this access, again, you need to pay for trainer, right?
Yes.
So that's why many people, they won't work. See, imagine here itself, you will come to know how Mule is more demand in the market. Let's say, so daily, I'm going to handle 2 batches. In 2 batches, on an average, 40 to 50 people will be there. Okay. Last year, 1 batch, around 60 people are there. Okay, for 1 batch. Okay. Like this, I handle total 4 batches. Total 230 people are there. Only for 4 batches. Okay, last year. Imagine I'm the only one person. So from my side, every month, every 35 or 40 days, 40 people, they are going to learn this Mule. Okay. All they are doing certification. Let's say, imagine for 1 people, how much? 30,000. 30,000 into 400 or 40, maybe 30,000 into 40. This much of amount company is going to lose, right? Only because of me. Like me, n number of trainers will be there, right? N number of students will be there. Every day, I think minimum 200 to 500 certifications are going to happen. Into 400 USD. How much company they are losing money? But still it is giving free of cost. Why? Because they need more resources. They need more certified candidates. Understood?
Yes.
If you take any other technologies, that services and certifications are not free. Let's say if you want to take AWS certification, you need to pay some amount. You don't get free of cost, right?
Yes. Yes.
If
I
you
think
want to
around
get free,
$100
company
or
need to
$50.
provide. Huh?
I think around $100 to $150, I guess, for the AWS one.
So we need to pay, but only Mule. See, earlier, few years back, I think 3 and 4 years back, we need to pay $250. Okay. So 3 years back, I paid $250 in my pocket, and I cleared my this one certification. That time it was not free. We need to pay some amount. Okay. Otherwise, company need to sponsor that. So in one company, so many MuleSoft developers will be there. Okay. For everyone, they are not going to offer. Only few people will offer. So clear, right, everyone? Any question you can ask me. Otherwise, I'm going to wind up this session now. So our next session will be on Monday. That will be completely practical sessions. And
In this
already
training, we
created.
are,
Yeah, go ahead.
go ahead. Yeah, in this training, we are developing some of the APIs, right? So that like the same way we are developing in our projects as well, or else it's kind of some difference there.
No, see, whatever I used, I worked all the connectors. I'm
Yeah.
going to explain to you guys. Okay.
Okay.
So whatever I'm explaining, if you take any project, 80% components will be same. Some of the projects it will be 100%, I can say.
Okay.
Only difference where you will get end system. Let's say in one project we may connect with the database. Next project may be Salesforce.
Okay.
Sometimes you may connect with the SAP. So SAP and all we won't take in the classes. Why? Because SAP is the licensed one. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to connect it, what you need to do, but I will tell you how you need to do the connection configurations and all. If you try for one end system, the connection configurations will be much similar for all the end systems.
Okay.
Yeah.
And another thing is, so some of the persons are missing the demo classes, right? So if they are joining in the regular classes, are you
Yeah.
teach the
See.
scratch, or else you are starting from after this?
No. Monday onward, already recording classes will be there, right? That I'm going to post in the classroom.
Okay.
Okay. They can see that mixed class. Let's say, see, if I take backup on every class, let's say 15 members will be there. Okay. So tomorrow, due to some XYZ reason, you won't attend.
Yeah.
Okay. Next day, maybe Anji, he won't attend. On that next day, Jyoti may not able to attend that class. So that what will happen? Every time if I repeat now, other people, they will get bored, right?
Yeah.
So that's why, in case if you miss any class recording, we will provide. In that, if you have any doubts, already we created WhatsApp group, right? You can practice it. You can post our question over there. I can help you. If I am busy with my work or something, other people will see that message. If they know answer, they will reply to you.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Others, any questions?
Is that group is created already?
Yes, already created, and people who enrolled, we added them.
Okay, so
I
whom
think-
shall I need to contact in this regards for enrollment?
So yeah, enrollment, from where you got this link, how you joined?
I got reference from YouTube only. I am calling from UK.
Okay, which person, like who is your contact person?
I don't know. I got this number and I chatted with him and he has forwarded me all those details.
Okay, you can again text him saying that, hey, I want to enroll, this course. Can you please provide the
The
details?
same
He can.
number. Yeah.
Yeah, same number.
Okay.
See, I have tie up with different institutes. One is VLR, okay. Another one is Gautam IT. I think 2 more institutes are there. Okay. Whenever I'm going to start any batch, I will update to those institute people. What they will do, they are going to give the candidates to me. Okay, some people directly, contacted to me, they can pay directly to me. Okay. So that's why I'm not going to share your number until unless you register. Why? Because if I share now, what institute people will think, okay, this trainer is directly interacting with the students and is taking money. Okay.
Yeah.
And one more thing, and one more thing, recordings, materials, everything you will get it through VLR Institute only. Okay. All the recordings, materials, everything they can share with you. But wherever you will join, you will get the same content, same material, everything will be same.
Yeah. So is those guys are available now? It's like almost evening, right?
Yeah, no problem. You can text them. They are available up to 9 o'clock. Morning 7 to evening 9. Institute people will work.
Sure, I'll work with him and Monday also same time.
Yeah, Monday also same time. In group Saturday we will finalize. Okay, I think for Saturday many people they join. From there we will discuss. If you want to change this timing, if you are not comfortable, we will discuss. Majority of the people, whatever they will say, will follow that.
Sure.
Okay. Okay, guys, that's it from my end. Any questions? Otherwise, I'm gonna wind up this session now. We'll meet on Monday. Okay, I think no questions. Okay, guys.